going to demonstrate a squat with a glute emphasis. I would argue that you should do this with every single squat that you do, just to maximize the contraction at the glutes. So you're going to have a band up around the knees, just above the knees, not on the knee joint. You have a slightly wider stance, and you're going to act like you're tearing the floor apart with your legs. So you're kind of pushing out of your legs, out of your feet away, and then you're going to act like you're screwing your feet into the floor, okay? So you're screwing the feet out. They're not actually moving per se, but you feel an activation with the glutes. Next, you're going to do that hip hinge so that you have a nice angle at the torso. And then you're going to initiate the movement with your hips, not your knees. The minute we start a squat with our knees, we're making it a quad-dominated squat. And ideally, this is not really what we're looking for because that puts a lot of pressure through the knees. So you're pulling the floor apart, you're rotating the feet out, and you're hinging at the hips to initiate that squat. You should feel the glutes on the way down and on the way up. Okay, on the way down, you'll feel some quads, but it should be like 80-20 or 60-40, whatever it is, but you want more glutes than quads. If you want to add some weight, you can do with back squat, or you can throw a kettlebell in your hand, screw those feet in, pull the floor apart, hinge at your hips, squeeze the glutes on the way up, okay? There's no rush. Do this nice and slow. Make sure you're feeling the right muscle activation. And so again, you don't want your tibia more forward than your torso. So forward torso and back up, just like that. And that is your squat, okay? So give it a shot and make sure you're feeling the right muscles.